It's so cool to have a whole day dedicated to developers and builders here at Dev Day.
And I find that when we build on top of these tools, we can even further expand what is possible with a large language model.
What you can actually just do is tell the model this. You can say, like, you know what, your accent's really bad. Can you do better? And it usually just sort of like laughs and apologizes, and then it actually does better.
Well, clearly, if we can have a single model like that, we should be able to do better in a lot of NLP applications, including search.
If you were to train that on a single Hopper GPU, data center GPU, that would take something like 475 years.
For the release, for the launch, when we announced Arctic, one thing that we really wanted to do was to make sure that we do it in a truly open manner.
And AI is not the only place where open source is important for Snowflake. Many of the demos that you saw today and this week has been powered by Streamlit.
And I get really excited about tracking everything because when you track everything, you can collaborate better. And when you collaborate better, you can move at a much higher velocity.
Today, it's for the builder community. It's for all of you. We want you to connect, share ideas, and skill up in data and AI.
Let's make some noise for the demo dare.
We'll be able to scroll over and we'll be able to see the transcript with the associated score of what that should be.
Thank you, Josh. You win season 1. It's time to close Dev Day. We had amazing talks from the luminaries. We had an amazing time.